What does truck liability insurance cover? Have you ever wondered what truck liability insurance really covers? If you own or operate a truck, understanding this type of insurance is essential. Truck liability insurance protects trucking businesses from financial losses that can arise from accidents or incidents involving their vehicles. It is specifically tailored to meet the unique needs and risks associated with trucking operations. Let's break down the main areas of coverage. First, there is bodily injury liability. This part of the insurance covers medical expenses and other costs related to injuries sustained by other parties involved in an accident with your truck. For example, if your truck is involved in a collision and someone is injured, this coverage helps pay for their medical bills. Next, we have property damage liability. This coverage takes care of the costs associated with repairing or replacing property that gets damaged in an accident. This could include other vehicles, fences, or even public property like street signs. In the United States, there are mandatory requirements for truck liability insurance. Trucks that weigh 10,001 pounds or more and carry non-hazardous materials must have a minimum liability insurance policy of $750,000. However, many freight brokers and shippers will requiring higher limits, often at least $1 million. If your truck carries hazardous materials, the required liability coverage can increase significantly, sometimes up to $5 million. Now, let's talk about the cost of truck liability insurance premiums. The premiums are influenced by several factors. These include the type and value of the truck, the driving records of the drivers, the amount of coverage selected, and the geographical area where the truck operates. All these factors help insurance companies assess risk and determine the appropriate premium. When comparing truck liability insurance to car insurance, it is important to note that the premiums for trucks are generally higher. This is due to the larger size and weight of trucks, which can lead to more severe accidents and higher potential damages. Understanding these differences is key when selecting the right insurance policy for your business or personal needs. In summary, truck liability insurance covers bodily injury and property damage, with specific requirements based on the truck's weight and cargo. The premiums are influenced by various factors, making it essential to choose the right policy for your situation.